Okay, as you can see, it's boiling, so we can add the black-eyed peas. And it's gonna cook for about 10 minutes. Well, I spilled it everywhere, but that's okay. Things happen. It's gonna cook, and once it cooks, we can start assembling our salad. There's about 2 cups in there. Alright, so now that the beans are cooked, I'm gonna drain them. Okay. Okay, so the beans are ready, corn, red peppers, some dill weed, a little bit of mint, green scallions, and some carrots for crunch. I got the red peppers from this. It's roasted red pepper, so if you want to roast your own, you could do that, but I'm gonna have and corn from, you know, good old canned corn. Okay, so let's start. So let's cut the dill nicely and finely. So I think in my first video I was trying to be too much of a perfectionist, and I decided, you know, sometimes being a perfectionist isn't good. So right now I'm just gonna try to do more videos to show my cooking, you know. And okay, so I got the dill, the red peppers, the roasted ones that we got from the can. I'm gonna start chopping those up. We have about 3 of them here. Ta-dun, dun, da-da. So 3 whole peppers. So I'm sure all of you also are quarantining or something like that. And because everyone's home, you may hear some background sounds. I'm sorry about that. There's TV in the background. There's other people in the background. But that's okay. We're all on the same boat, aren't we? Beautiful. I've got chopped the beans. the roasted red peppers. Let's go on to chopping the scallions. You know, my favorite part of cooking, sometimes I really like chopping. It's so relaxing. And it's beautiful. It's like so nice to see the stuff come together. You know, it seems like I'm cutting in place because sometimes I am. Sometimes you don't. Life just moves in place, just like chopping these scallions. Sometimes you get caught up in the monotony. Sorry for my proper English accent. And you get caught up in the monotony and forget to move forward. But now we are moving forward. You just have to remind yourself. Don't stop, keep going. There's so much to live for. So much to experience. Okay, now I got scallions. Let's chop the also chop a little bit of the mint. I love the smell of mint. It's so fresh. You know, Mother Nature is beautiful. It feeds us. It blesses us with beautiful smells and beautiful colors. It triggers our imagination. I love Mother Nature. So I'm just gonna add this into the scallion pot because they're all gonna go in the same place. So the last thing to chop are the carrots. You know, just to add a little bit of crunch. You know what I mean? So I'm first gonna cut them sideways. Okay, so this is not working. Cut it like this. Okay guys, as you can see, I am not good at cutting carrots. I give up. I'm just gonna cut it like this. These are different carrots than usual. That's why. Don't blame me. Blame the carrots. If you guys have any tips on how to cut carrots, please send them my way. Okay. Because I want to make them small. That's why. Cubes. Can you shut up? Everyone's in my video, guys. I'm sorry, my vulgarness is coming out. And I can't cut this carrot. Stupid carrot. I don't know yet. See, okay, so don't bleed to death, people, please. Huh? Sure. My sister wants to make a comment. What is it?
She's acting like she's not an angry person, but I can see her true form through this carrot.
Everybody has flaws. I get angry while I'm cutting carrots. Okay? You know why I get angry while I'm cutting carrots? Because it's too hard to cut these carrots. But you know what? It's a challenge. I accept this challenge. I never understand how people so smoothly cut carrots. Never made sense to me. How do they do it? Please tell me. See? The stupid carrot. Guys, I decided that YouTube is about authenticity, and I'm showing you my true personality. Sometimes I'm a happy, jolly person. Sometimes I'm not. Huh?
Don't cut your feet.
But that's okay. What's wrong with being mad sometimes? It's okay. I'm not lashing out at anybody. It's okay. It's okay to be mad. I hate this. I hate how people try to just lump you into these categories. Oh, jolly person. Oh, happy person. No, we all have feelings. Especially for women. Whenever a girl gets mad, everybody freaks out. Girls get mad too, and it's totally okay. And sometimes it's needed. Sometimes we need to get mad. Well, right now, I don't really need to get mad. I'm not really mad. I'm just a little bit annoyed. Now we just got political. Guys, girls can get mad, and that's okay.
What?
Out came the third sibling. Guys, I have 3 siblings. And all of them like to comment on my videos. This is Essa. Do you hear him? Guys, now let's just assemble everything. You know, this is not the perfect view. So I'm just gonna put the beans first. And then I'm gonna put the roasted red peppers next. Ooh, beautiful. And then let's put the carrots. Colors, colors, colors. Now, the corn, my favorite part. Just pour it all in. Wow, there's a lot of corn. And then the dill. Guys, dill is a secret ingredient to everything. It makes it smell good. It makes it smell good. It gives a nice, I don't even know how to, like an earthy feel. I love earthy things, as you can tell. Maybe, I don't know. I love the smell of earth. I love the taste of earth. However, you define that. Now we're gonna add the mint that I mixed with the scallions. Ooh. Yes. Ooh, yes. So I'm done. Quickly for the dressing, I'm just gonna add some olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and a little bit of vinegar and salt, lemon, a little. Ooh, you see that? Mmm. See it? Beautiful. It's mixing. Amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ba-ba-bum-bum. Ba-ba-bum-bum. Amazing. Amazing. Should I show my noise effects? Yes. Yes.